Most faceless YouTubers aren't growing. Not because they're shy, not because they're camera shy, but because they're using the wrong video format. Today, I'll show you the exact faceless video style that gets views, retention, and helps small channels go viral. To grow as a faceless creator, your video must start strong. The first 3 seconds decide everything. Here's the hook formula that works every time. Your editing must feel fast, smooth, and clean. No long pauses, no boring scenes. Faceless videos perform best when your visuals move every 2-3 seconds. This keeps the viewer's brain constantly engaged. And captions matter. If you're faceless, your captions are your personality. Use bold, high-contrast text that stands out on mobile. Even faceless videos need a structure. That's how you turn viewers into subscribers. Every video should follow a pattern viewers can recognize. Your faceless channel needs a signature style. Same colors, fonts, transitions, so viewers instantly know it's you. And the next video will help you even more. It's linked on your screen. And that's how to create faceless videos that get clicks, hold attention, and actually go viral. You don't need a face, you just need the right format.